Hello viewers, today we are going to see print setting in detail. A good print gives always a good impression and it's the final outcome of your soft copy. So let's go and watch it on the screen. Now you are watching a page or a text which is in random shape, so let's first align it. Ctrl A for selecting all, Ctrl J for justifying both ends, and Ctrl E for top heading to bring the heading into the middle of the page. So now it's look good. So let's go. Layout, margin, and a lot of margins are available. However, I use narrow margin to print more text on a page. Next is orientation. Either your table or text is on landscape or require a portrait. In this case, it's portrait. Now let's go to size. Different page sizes, letter executive A3 which is more big. However, mostly we use A4. So I select A4. This is indent. In case if you push a paragraph towards left or you bring it towards right. In case if you remove the entire text, so selects that entire text or Ctrl A and press left or right, and then so the text would move toward a side. Now we are using before, it uses space for from top. Now under paragraph, tick mark this small arrow and justifying center right alignment which you have already seen, and under page setup press the small arrow, layout, borders, and under style select align, and then we will select box, and the print would gets a rectangle around it. It looks good. Now to remove it, again go to layout, border, and none. Click OK. Now let's go and open file menu and print. You will see the same things with the additional one. Print one side, print manually both sides. So I select both sides to take my print on the page both sides. Orientation, page size you have already seen over there, and you can also see the same over here. It's copy, number of copy per soft page. Now you see print all pages, so we will give a range 1 - 6 or -6. So it will give you from page 1 to 6. Now to print random pages, you can simply click in the pages and 2, 8, 12, 35, whatever, it will give you the selected page print. Now we will give a range along with random selection by separating commas and hyphen and click print. If you don't remember any of these, so go and click print current page. So only current page would be printed. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.